Oh, good day, YouTube. Let's do this real quick here because I'm going to get ready for work. Check out this lovely sky we're having, huh? Canadian wildfire smoke. Headlight update for the old 84. How do they work? Those fancy new ones they put on. Well, let me show you how they worked. They're gone. Got about 2 weeks out of them. They were garbage. Could not stand those things. When you turn the low beams on, they were so bright they would blind any and all traffic, and they lit up the entire neighborhood. And you'd hit the low beams and everything went to like quarter power. On top of that, the upper bulbs were burning so hot I was worried about catching the truck on fire. So first I thought it was the wire harness, but plugged those into the regular standard wiring on the truck and the exact same thing, so I don't know what's wrong with those. So I don't know, shouldn't be anything with the switch or anything, because switches are pretty much the same for 80s up into the early 90s as far as I know, but one of them got so hot they cracked. So I went back to the store and spent $80 some, and I bought those regular sealed beams, put them in, they work fine. So yeah, there's your update on those fancy headlights. Still waiting to hear back if I can send them back. I'm not really worried about them at this point, to be honest with you. I'd like to get my money back, but oh well. Big old spider web going in there. So yeah, a little disappointed in that, but I now know that I will not be trying those on the Jimmy. But the plan was to possibly try those out and swap the bulbs over to LED at some time, but yeah, they just went back. And they look like they're different color. They're both Sylvanias. I can't remember, one of these is the Silver Star and the other is not. So they look different, but they didn't have all four of the same model or make or whatever they are. So I settled for that. They work, they illuminate, but yeah, I had to wait about a week before I got the truck fired up and took it for a run, and well, look how red everything is on the screen. All this smoke, but yeah, don't buy them, that's my opinion, that's my advice. Stick with the standard headlights. So, alrighty, here's your quick little follow-up. I gotta get ready for work, get the cats fed. No, you're staying inside. You've already been outside. No updates on the Jimmy yet, so got an update for the Polaris though, and we'll get that up after this. So we'll catch you on the next one. Bye-bye.